Do you see how these two people, then they fight? They are fighting. And the human being are there, recording them with their phone. And dog, animal are there, trying to bring peace among them, trying to separate them. But human beings are there laughing, rejoicing. And animal, dog, was there, trying to bring peace. But human beings are there, rejoicing, laughing. To show you, to tell you that we are in the wicked generation. I have seen it. Where two people, they fight. People we are there rejoicing, shouting, record them with their phone. Before you know what is happening, the other person will die. And they will start shouting, hey. But they are there, they cannot separate the fight. They cannot bring peace. That is a wicked generation. To show you that we are living in the wicked generation. And some of you people that listen to my sound of my voice are doing it. You will see two people fighting, trying to kill themselves, and you will be there looking at them, recording them with your phone. You cannot know how to bring peace, to separate them, to bring peace. You are there recording them with their phone. And the later one of them will die. I want to ask you a question. Maybe you receive a call, somebody called you on phone. Somebody called you on phone, and he told you, brother, do you know that your sister or your brother just died now? You ask him, what happened? He will tell you that your sister or your brother was fighting with somebody. And all of a sudden, your sister collapsed, die, or your brother collapsed, die. And the person will tell you that people were there, recording them with their phone. They don't want to separate them. They don't want to bring peace. And your sister die or your brother die. How will you feel? You'll be crying and saying, oh, why people are wicked? People we are there looking at my brother. My brother is fighting, they don't want to bring peace. Now my brother have died. You will say it. Or one day, you that is doing it, you will have misunderstanding with somebody, and all of a sudden, two of you will be fighting. Two of you will be fighting. And you may have health challenge. People will be there, they will not even separate two people. Another person will be beating you. To run away, you cannot run away. You don't have strength to run away. And the person will be beating you. People will be there, videoing you, recording you with their phone. How will you feel? And all of a sudden, you collapse, die. Will you feel happy? You will not be happy.